what makes us not a scam when you click on and fill out the information to get your credit reviewed. We're part of the solution, not part of the problem. Even if you have great credit, the person you're dealing with probably isn't very good at their job. So, one of the things that we're going to teach you is how to ask better questions. Being teachers that we are, you're going to be able to have your credit questions asked and answered, and you're going to be able to make good decisions on your own. Until you're able to make good decisions on your own, that's where we come in, and we're lifting you up, and we're walking with you until you get to that point. And even then, when you can walk on your own, we're still in the background, and you can still, hey, should I do this? Should I do that? How do I do this? How do I do that? And we hope you don't ever leave our financial and credit literacy program. Even when your scores get to 800, you have to know how to leverage your credit. I've had plenty of people that have great scores because they have good habit. First of all, if something happened, they wouldn't know how to rebuild. And and then also they don't know that they could probably do better. We've heard this phrase for years, but my guy takes care of me. So your guy rips everybody off but you. Okay, your guy goes on vacation, but he doesn't take the money he made off of you to go on vacations off of everybody else. Come on. These people are in business to make money, and I want everybody to make money. I think you should pay reasonable fees. I think you should, there is a cost to doing business that you should pay. But if you are clueless and you have no idea of what's going on and why, you don't understand the birds and the bees of credit and finance, they're going to take you for a ride because they can. We're talking about single family. We're talking about investment real estate. We're talking about small business banking. We're talking about commercial lending that goes into the millions. We can do everything that needs to be done on your credit report, no matter how many negative accounts you have that need to be settled, no matter the disputes, adding, score building credit, all of that can be done in less than 3 business days. Some people are going to spend the next week trying to find the right secured card. We've got that. Some people are going to, where do I get an installment loan? Because 10% of your score is credit mix. There's mortgage, installment, revolving. When you add a type of credit that you formerly did not have, you get a 3.33% bump in your score every month. So you need to have a credit mix. So where are you going to find that loan that is not a strip mall 45% interest loan? Where are you going to find that loan that's 3 or 4%? And that's what we have. It's what we do every day. So even if you kind of sort of have a grasp on things, we're still going to do it faster and better because it's all we do.